Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in home improvement products. Today, we're shining a light on a fantastic find that's perfect for anyone looking to enhance their living space. We're talking about the TJOY Edison light bulbs, which are the best clear LED light bulbs equivalent to 60 watts. These vintage-inspired bulbs not only provide the nostalgic charm of traditional filament bulbs but also pack the efficiency of modern LED technology. Each bulb features an E26 medium base, making them compatible with a variety of fixtures, from chandeliers and ceiling fans to pendant lights and sconces. With a warm white color temperature of 2700 K, these bulbs create a cozy and inviting ambiance perfect for any room in your home. One standout feature of the TJOY Edison light bulbs is their dimmable capability. With a smooth dimming range from 10% to 100%, these bulbs can easily adjust to suit your mood or activity. Whether you want bright light for reading or a soft glow for movie night, these bulbs have got you covered. Plus, they are compatible with 95% of the dimmers on the market, ensuring a hassle-free installation. Let's talk about longevity and efficiency. These bulbs are designed to last up to 15,000 hours, which means they can shine brightly for over 13 years if used for just 3 hours a day. Imagine the time and money you'll save on replacements. In terms of energy consumption, they only use 8 watts of power while delivering a brilliant 800 lumens of brightness, making them an eco-friendly choice. In fact, you can expect to spend around just 96 cents a year on energy costs when using these bulbs, which is a great investment for any homeowner. Another aspect worth mentioning is how these bulbs are designed with eye comfort in mind. The warm white light is not only pleasing to the eyes, but it also creates a relaxing environment. This is especially beneficial in living rooms and bedrooms, where you want to unwind after a long day. The soft illumination helps to soften skin tones and minimizes imperfections, making it an excellent choice for those who love to read or simply enjoy a calm atmosphere. When it comes to safety, TJOY doesn't skimp on quality. These bulbs are OL listed, and they hold both RoHS and FC certifications, which guarantees that they meet stringent safety and environmental standards. Plus, TJOY offers a 1-year warranty, so you can purchase with confidence knowing that support is just a call away. The TJOY Edison light bulbs are versatile enough to fit into virtually any lighting fixture in your home. Whether you're looking to upgrade the lighting in your kitchen, dining area, or even your bathroom, these bulbs are a beautiful choice that combines functionality with aesthetic appeal. They are perfect for home decor, adding a touch of vintage charm to modern designs. To wrap it up, if you're in the market for high-quality, energy-efficient, and beautifully designed light bulbs, look no further than the TJOY Edison light bulbs. With their vintage style, dimmable functionality, and long lifespan, they truly represent the best in LED lighting. Thank you for joining us today on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product insights and reviews. Illuminate your life with TJOY, and we'll see you in the next video.